If you think making money online is complicated, this video will change your mind. Because today, I'm going to show you a simple AI method that beginners are using to earn up to $100 per day. No experience. No special skills. Just a smart system. Make sure you watch till the end, because I'll show you exactly how to start from zero. __. Let's start with the biggest mistake most beginners make. They keep watching videos, learning tools, but never take action. And because of that, they stay stuck. So in this video, I'm not just going to show you tools, I'm going to show you a complete step-by-step system. Step 1. Choose one simple AI tool first. You don't need 10 tools. You just need one. For this method, we'll use an AI content tool like ChatGPT. This tool can write scripts, blog posts, product descriptions, and more. But the real question is, how do you turn this into money? Step 2. Pick a simple service. Now you need to choose a service you can sell. Here are 3 beginner-friendly options. Option 1. YouTube script writing. Option 2. Blog writing. Option 3. Social media captions. Let's take YouTube script writing as an example. Thousands of creators need scripts, but they don't have time to write them. That's where you come in. Step 3. Create your first offer. Now go to platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Create a simple gig. For example, I will write a YouTube script using AI. Keep your price low at the start, around $5 to $10. Your goal is not big money yet, your goal is your first client. Step 4. Use AI to deliver fast. When you get your first order, don't panic. Just go back to your AI tool and generate the script. Then edit it slightly to make it sound natural. Deliver it quickly. Speed plus decent quality equals happy client. Step 5. Scale to $100 per day. Once you start getting orders, things change. Now you can increase your price, deliver faster using AI, take multiple orders per day. Let's say you charge $20 per script and complete 5 orders a day. That's $100 per day. And yes, beginners are already doing this. Now let me give you a simple action plan. Day 1. Pick your service and learn the basics. Day 2. Create your Fiverr or Upwork profile. Day 3. Publish your gig and optimize it. Day 4 onward. Apply for jobs and stay consistent. Now here's the truth most people won't tell you. Your first 5 gigs might fail. You might not get clients immediately. But if you stay consistent for 7 to 10 days, results start coming. And one more important tip. Don't try to be perfect. Your first goal is action, not perfection. So if you're serious about making money online, start today. Pick one AI tool. Create your first offer. Get your first client.